package. But if you don't worry about the package, then you can choose MBK or tray package. For the MBK package, let me show you an example. Maybe the MBK is like a box like this, and inside we also have the cooling fans. But the price will be a little competitor than the retail box.
Yes.
Yeah, but if you don't worry about the cooling fans or package at all, then you can choose tray package. That is very common package. And also, it is the most competitor pricing in among the CPUs.
Yes, in addition, Intel CPU also have the same style, only using the box packing and tray package. But the same performance of them, we can rest assured to buy the brand new box packing where we have the higher price, but the tray packing have the lower price. They have the 3-year warranties and the 1-year warranty.
Yes, it was mentioned that here's a special requirement for this package. There's 2 versions. One is English version and another is Chinese version. Don't worry about the performance. They're totally the same because customer may be worried that if the language is different, maybe the performance is different. Actually, it's not. They are totally the same. So you can choose them according to your requirements.
Yes, which solves the detailed introduction about the package warranty and so on. Believe everyone has the answer on their mind. Please pay attention to some discounts and please order today.
Yes, every year I know there's many customers who didn't buy from us before. So thinking that they would like to learn how these products ship from our Hong Kong warehouse, I think it's better we can make more details to learn.
Yeah, sure. You can make a brief introduction to our clients.
Yes, that sounds great. So I will introduce some basic information about the transportation. As we all know, the IT product is kind of fast-selling products.
Yes.
So we have to ensure that we send the goods at very short time to meet our customers' satisfaction.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So currently we have two super fast choice for you. Yes. FedEx and DHL. And due to our large shipment value every day, we enjoy the large discount from FedEx. It's around 50%. So the customers always glad to order from us with the FedEx or DHL.
Yes, very perfect. That way our clients can get many discounts, not only on the product and also the shipment. You can save more money.
Yes, of course, that will be save a lot of cost. And additionally, some customers have raised a question about how long will it take to ship the goods and how long will they receive.
Yes, good question. We have lots of the clients all around the world. Like in North America, you just spend 2 to 3 days can get our products. If you ship to the Asia areas, it's just 1 to 2 days. In addition, if we packing to the user, it's just only 1 week can get them.
Sounds great. It's just so type of customer to receive our products. So I feel that the CPU is on the way to my home. Here's another question.
Yes.
Here's another question.
Okay.
If they buy in bulk, they get a discount.
Yes, the larger order you want to buy, the greater, the bigger discount we will get.
Yes. So if you are interested in our products, please just click the catalog link and talk to our customer service to see what support you will get from us.
Yes. Okay. And after the long introduction about our products, now nevertheless we will go to the relax and we have the price part.
Yeah.
Then we will select the A6 fans. Yes, we have the chance to get our gifts.
Yes.
They are. Let me see. They are the number 8, 18, and 28. 38 and 58
and 68.
Yes, total 6 fans will get our price today. What is the price? Very curious. So we will introduce. The first price is total invoice amount is over 5,000 USD. It can be deducted the 100 USD at the discount.
Yes, when total invoice amount is over 80,000 USD, then it can be 200 USD as discount. So if you are the lucky guy to get this price, please just click the catalog link and talk to our customer service. And glad to say that the valid date is within 1 month for you. So if you are the lucky guy, please contact us.
Yes, so exciting. Come on, so fans, leave your comments on it. Next winner is you.
Yes, maybe next winner is me.
You can try.
Yes. Okay, now let's come back to our product information introduction.
Yes.
Just now we already introduced the server, PC, CPU. So I think our audience already have a better understanding about our products.
Yes, if you have any question or inquire, want to know the information about the CPUs, welcome to comments or ask our service customer. They will reply you as soon as possible.
Yes, and feel free to contact us at any time. Now I'm super excited because we're going to introduce another superstar product. That is server and PC memory and chipsets in our company.
Very fantastic.
Yes.
Okay.
Before that, I would like to ask you questions. Do you know that memory actually is more advanced than the SSD?
Oh, really?
Yes.
I don't know.
Yeah, as its reading and writing speed is about 10 times faster than the SSD and HDD. Let me take an example. Take the most popular DDR4 as example. Its reading and writing speed is around 7,000 MB per second, while the maximum of HDD just less than 300 MB per second. Even the most powerful SSD is only 300 per second.
Yes, if our daily computer system or our working, gaming, etc., they all install the HDD or SSD. So when use the memory, where it's very expensive?
Yeah, that is a very good question. Yes, definitely it will be because the speed of CPU, as we all know, is very fast, while the HDD is very slow. So the price will be definitely higher than the HDD.
Yeah, so at that time, the memory with the super fast reading and writing speeds can help a lot. When the software is open, the CPUs and the memory are really perfect combos.
Yes, you're right. And the hot cell capacity memory include 8GB and 60G for the PC purpose, and 60G, 30G, and 64G for the server purpose.
Yes, the capacities of our memory is data that can be stored. Every time when we open the software, the data will be saved to the memory.
Yes, but if the memory is full when we continue to open the software, that you will find that the CPU will only get data from the super slow data, the HDD. So maybe your computer will be stuck.
Yes, got it. I heard that the memory usually use the DRAM data.
Yes, bingo. DRAM is the status in memory. And the famous memory is DDR4, and about the manufacturer is Micro, Samsung, and Hynix.
Yes, and other words?
Otherwise, let me introduce more details to you. And due to the good quality of DRAM in production, so some high quality DRAM will be selected to make a high-end memory, while the ordinary but qualified DRAM will be used to make the ordinary memory.
Yes, the frequency of the memory can be regarded as the data transmission speed and the most important partner.
Yes, you can imagine that the data are products that we selected online, so it needs to be transported to recharge.
Yes, so the greater frequency, the more data can become greater.
Yes, the overlocking memory we often mention is just to overload the chunk to obtain more data transmission.
Wow, that sounds great. And Echo, could you show to our clients about the memory?
Yes, of course. Firstly, I would like to show you our server memory. We now providing Samsung, Hynix, Micro, SPE, Dell. They are the most popular models in the whole world, and also they occupy most of the market share. So now let's take some products to show our customers.
This one is also very slight and small. Yes. This is the package of it.
Yeah, this is the factory seal package. Here's 25 pieces in one box. Let me show one piece out to introduce more to our company, to our customers.
Okay, they also will use the gauze, and this is the order package of our memory. And they're very slight and very small. Okay.
Okay.
Show to us.
Firstly, let I show you this sample. Yeah, let's see. All the information can be found on the label, and this is Samsung brand. And the capacity is 32 GB. And look at this. And the memory chip is 2R/4, and the frequency is 2933 Hz. And the right corner of this, you can find the data core is 2131. Yeah, it means that the manufacturer of the date is 21 and year of 2021. And in the right corner, you can see that the COO is in China.
Yes, so all the memory can read at this in the same time. So now let us to clarify the specification about the Samsung memory, okay?
Okay, let's look at this paper. Yeah, the M means Samsung brand, and the 393, 2AA pin, register DINN, and the 4K means the capacity is 32G, K for 4G, and the 4K means 32 GB, and 40/4 and 33/8, and 44/60. So the VF means DDR4 299 mHz. And here's another memory.
Yes, all this ever memory is the brand new and have the warranty. So you don't worry about they will the truth and the for the bricks.
Yes, I will show you the highest frequency memory. Yes. This RAM with the highest frequency is around 3,200. It's made in Vietnam.
Okay.
Yes, all the information can be found in the label.
Yes, do we have the higher capacity?
Yes, sure. We have 64 GB as well.
Yes, we can.
Yes, two brands. Yes. I'd like to show this one, the most hot-selling model in our company. Yeah, this brand is also Samsung. It's 64 GB and it's made in Korea. 31 years of 2021. Okay, maybe some customer would like to try another brand, so I have a better choice.
Yes, we have the other brand of the memory.
Micro, yes.
Yes, Micro.
Yeah, this is Micro. The logo means Micro here, and you can also find the part number, series number, and the data code on the label, and you will also get the better price than Samsung RAM.
Yes, since Echo showing us for the RAM product currently, and there are very hot sales and capacities include the 18G or the 32G and 64G, and the generation is the DDR4.
Yes.
And now 2666 and the 2090-3036, and it's also very popular on the buyers.
Yes, besides we also have another hot-sell model in HPE. Do you know which model?
Yes, it is the HPE, the 32 memory. Am I right?
Yes, sure, you're right. And the HPE 32G is the most hot-selling model in our company.
Yes.
We sell a lot, especially from the Korean market.
Yes. Such our PM say this model recently is the best selling in our week.
Yes, you're right. Let me show you the most hot-selling model clearly. This one. Yes, it's practice factory steel, and you can find the detailed specification in the first line, and the series number in the second line. Yeah. So in the bottom, what information can we found?
Yes, we can see the bottom line. You can find the country of the original is made in the South Korea. The size you can see the latest date code is the April 10th. 2021. Look at these, the HPE labels. HPE label on it, the part number on the back side. You can find the details such as the model number and the distribution and the data of the countries.
Yeah, and except for this HPE 32 GB, let me show you another hot sale brand.
Yes.
For this one is also the same package, the practice package. But the model number is different. It's P00930P21. It's 64 GB. and also all the information like the part number and series number can be found on the label. And most importantly, this series number can be traced from the HP website.
Yes.
You can get the details, the warranty, or the data codes from the website.
Yes. Our server memory not only can use the workstation and the data center server cluster and the cloud and so on, but also use the mining. Yes, the mining is very popular this year. And big capacity memory also can use the mining.
Yeah.
So if you want to know the exact number, you can talk to our sales. They will introduce for you.
Yes, now we already introduced a lot of server memory and then type show the bonus to our customers.
Yes, that's very good. We will put out the discount price to Campbell purchases during our live show. So you can look at here. Yes, today we have the 3 Campbell purchases. Yes, you can see the first one is the Campbell A. Campbell A is the HPE 32 memory. The original price is the 215. And at the adapter, the original price is the 230, and the original total amount is the 455, and the common price is just only 420. Yes,
sounds great. So the second part is this model, also the most selling model P00924 and P21. It's 32 capacity. And the original price costs you $250 USD, and also for this SSD 1.0 TB, the capacity. Original, it costs you $675 USD. So if you buy totally, the original price is for $890. But if you buy it from us today, that you will get the price $830.
Yes. So all of our purchases can leave your save most of the money.
Yes, I believe so. That is a very good way to help our customers save costs when choosing a combo purchasing. Yes. And I believe that some of our customers can't wait to purchase the products from us.
Yes. So if you're watching by the live show by mobile, you could see the link of the products in the left bottom of the screen. And the link of our catalog, you can see the right bottom of the screen.
Yes, if you're watching our live show by laptop, you can find the link of products on your right side. And and also the catalog link on your counter.
Yes, and don't forget to click the catalog and check with our service customer to ask for your latest company's catalog, or you can order your preferred models directly from the product link.
Yes, and also we welcome you to share our link to your friends or who are interested in our products. We're very thankful for it.
Yes, and don't forget to share the link to your friends. They will be sent for you.
Yes, that's great. So now let's go on to the PC memory.
Yes, PC memory. Look at the heads of PC memory. Yes. As we know, we major in many service memory all the time, like the Samsung, Chinese, and Micro, HP, and so on, right?
Yes. So just from the appearance, you found that most of the brands actually are green or maybe white. For other information like the series number or part number will be different, but others to do the same with the package.
Yes, but compared to the server memory, the most essential of the gaming memory is the flash. From the outside, we can get it.
Flash?
Yes.
It's really cool. Could you please show it to our audience?
Sure. Let me look together. The RAM capacity is the DDR4, and the 1660 the GB and the 6300 the 200 Hz. Yes. And the brand is the Crucial. Yes, as we know, the Crucial is the very popular to the computer and the other components.
Yes.
Yes. So when you play the games, and you will see the lighting on your computer is very cool and colorful.
Sounds wonderful. So I have a question. Why this memory just will cold? Does it protect the memory?
Yes, as we know, when we play the game for 1 or more hours, the temperature of computer will be higher and higher. If you don't have the memory cooling, the memory is easy to damage.
I see. So we have some tips for you when you processing some memory for your PC gaming. You can focus on the memory which specialist design for the gaming, which can help you to cool. Generally, its shape is very special.
Yes, and this memory just an example for show to you. All gaming memory have the board package with a 1-year warranty from our manufacturer.
Okay, thank you for introduction about the PC gaming. I think most of our audience already have better understanding about it. So don't hesitate to click the capital link and talk to our customer service to get more product information.
Yes, feel free to contact our customer survey all the time.
Yes. Erin, do you know what is the country of this memory?
This memory mostly from the South Korea and the Philippines.
Okay, thank you. So, if the customer from USA, how much taxes do they need to pay?
Because the COO is the South Korea and the Philippines, the clients can pay the less tax about it.
Okay, sounds great. What about the warranty of it?
Yes, from our brand new memory, we provide 1-year warranty from our manager. So besides, we don't have the MOQ. Yeah, many clients will focus on this problem because the MOQ maybe is the 10 pieces, so you don't worry. It's better price we can support. Welcome to contact us. Our best service you can provide.
Sounds great. So we will also made a shipment within 24 hours so that the customer will receive the goods within 2 or 4 days.
Yes. So as the best shipping in South like the FedEx, priority, and you can get your favorite product in the shortest time.
Yes, that's great. And also the shipping cost just cost you about 50%. Yes, because 50% the FedEx will be give us some discount.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
let's move
on the next part.
It's about the chipset. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, our chipset. Chipset is our very latest product this year. It is the new product line. We are currently selling memory chips, RAM chips, and the GPU chips. They are mainly from the Intel, Samsung, ST, Nvidia, and some customer chips manufacturer like the B-Wing.
Sounds great, and here's some supplier of the battery chip, like Samsung, Micro, and Hynix.
Yes.
So here I would like to recommend the very hot selling memory chip model for you. That is the Samsung DDR4 60 GB capacity.
Yes.
And here's some different package.
We can show to them.
Yes.
Okay.
Here's two types of package.
This is the first package.
Yes. Yes. Here's chip package. It can have a lot of chip here. Yes, chip package. It's very light. And also here's another package, the real. You can pack with these cartons. You can pack 1,000 pieces in it. It's around 2,600 pieces in one reel.
Yes. And as for the memory chips and hot selling chips have the RAM chips like the model WIG, the 120 and 80. This is the very popular and the shortage now. And you can find all the markets is very shortage, but we still have the store.
Yes, I'd like to show a sample to our customers.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Show to you.
This is very small. Yeah, very light. So you don't need to worry about the shipping cost. And there will be different shape according to the model number.
Yes.
So thank you for you guys. Remember, if you have any issue or any problem, please just click the catalog link and go to our customer service. Then they will help you to get the latest catalogs or get some support.
Yes. And not only we have the good price of the products, and we will give you service, the professional, and all of the service we can get you. And all the discount today we will continue.
Really sounds great.
Yes.
And yes. Because we are the ENG Holding Limited, we always aim to build a world-class limited company, and we aim to build a platform that provides the superior information and keep pace with the development and provide the comprehensive IT products and also the professional service to our global customers.
Yes, currently we already have our office and the branch in our Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Dubai, and the United States, as well as we develop the customer with our place around the world, such as the South of America and the North America, and so on.
Sounds great, and also, our products can always help our customers save the cost.
Yes.
So I think
the cost.
Yes, so I think it can help our customers to keep ahead of their competitors.
Yes.
About the quality, you don't need to worry about the quality because all the products are from the super famous brand. And also, all the products will undergo very serious tests before we ship them. And about the stock, you don't need to worry at all because we have several warehouses around the world, so we can meet your satisfaction at a very short time.
Yes, here I would like to conclude today's our products mainly focus for one is the CPUs. We provide the two brands, servers and the PC. One is the AMD and another one is the Intel. Yeah. Our store for the CPU is very large and you could find anything you want and anything you couldn't find in the market. We will support you need.
Sounds great. So last CPU stock.
Yes.
That's brilliant.
Yes, why say no, right?
Okay, now let me include the RAM, the memory.
Yes, the memory
is one of the famous products in our product line as well. The hot cell capacity includes 60G, 30G, and 64G as well. And the major relation is DDR4. Now, the 266 and the 296 NSG is also popular among these products.
Yes, as we know, we have the magnifiers of the brands such as the Samsung, Hynix, Crucial, and HP. As said before, we provide the international warranty for our clients.
Yeah, so okay everyone, today we already gone through the RAMs and the CPU. So let's call it today. We will have the second part later.
Yes, it's about the Hdb, SSD, and the GPU, and we will prepare the surprise part and for your guys only.
Yes, and these products are very popular as well. If you have any demand on them or want more details about our company or our products, please just keep watching that you will know more about this.
Yes. Alright, time is flying. Let's welcome our colleagues, Marita and Giselle. They will talk to you to learn about the HDD or SSD and GPU.
Yes. So thank you for all this watching our videos. Let's welcome our college.
Yeah. See you next time.
Yeah. See you next time. Welcome our college.
Thank you, Echoes and Evelyn. Hello, everyone. I'm your host, Giselle.
Hi, I'm your host, Miranda. What's up, guys? Welcome to EMG Live Show.
How was your day, Miranda?
Very great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. I'm so excited to introduce to our customers about our new product. Thanks to the Echoes and Evelyn's introduction of our company. I believe that a lot of our customers have known a lot about our companies, but I just saw that still have a lot of new fans just came in. And Miranda, how about give a brief introduction about our company again?
Sure, I'm happy to do that. EMG is a comprehensive trading company with 18 years experience in IT hardware, and also we established in 2003, and we mainly support the server and also the PC component such as the SSD, GPU, CPU, memory, and also the HP parts.
Wow, it's really good. And our headquarters is in Hong Kong. Guangzhou is our global operations center. And we also have the office in Los Angeles, Dubai, Shenzhen. And we are also so glad to tell you that we are the strategic partner with Alibaba over 12 years.
Yes, we're very proud of this. Well done, thank you, Giselle.
You are welcome. Since Echoes and Evelyn's introduction of the CPU and memory, we are so glad to introduce our another main product, that is SSD.
Yeah, that's cool. If you are watching our live show by mobile, you could find the link of the catalog on the right corner of screen, and also the product link on the left corner of the screen.
Yes, and if you are watching by the laptops, please find the link of the product on the right of the screen and our catalog link on the top of the screen.
Yes, and feel free to ask any question about our products, and you can always find our customer service.
Yes, and don't forget to click the link to ask for the products you want with our customer service. You are surely to get what you want, or you can directly order the product you need directly from our Alibaba stores.
Yes, and some guys may wonder why we can provide so competitive price, and well, they want to know whether the product is new or not.
Yes.
Okay, guys, don't worry about this. All the products supplied by E Energy are original and 100% brand new, and you can click the products catalog for more information.
Yes, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Yes, and don't forget to follow us.
Yes, now let's turn to the other main product, that is SSD. The SSD we provide is original brand new with the 5-year international warranty.
Yes, and we would like to show you the Intel SSD and also the HPE SSD, such as the 451 GB and 580 GB, and also the 960 GB, 1.9 T, and also the P25102 TB, 4 TB, and also the HPE SSD. Those are very hot sell models.
Yes, for SSD, we are here to show you two brands. One is the Intel and the other is HPE. And please allow me to introduce the Intel SSD for you first. Please look at the attracting SSD for you. Here we can see that attracting, we have two packaging here, right? Yes, two packaging here. And you could see that it is sealed in the original official package, and all of our SSD are original brand new with the official box.
Yes, of course. It's not persuasive when you judge for the outside. Don't worry about this. Later we'll show you the one without the packaging, so you can see the insides.
Yes, and we also have the Intel SSD. We are going to introduce S4510 series with a capacity of 240 GB, right? You can see it is factory sealed well with the original box, and you can check the product number, series number, date code, country of the original producing place here. And the most importantly is that you can trace the series number in the Intel official website.
Yes, and the SSD is in the visually packaging, and the box and the back. Generally, the 15 pieces per box.
Yes.
And now let me show you how the SSD looks like inside. Let me show you this one. This one, the packaging is the new packaging, and you can see it's new, and also there's the label and also the brand name and series number on it. This one is the 240G and sequential reads up to 560 MB per S and sequential write up to the 280 MB per S. This one is 2.5 interface stops 3 GB per S.
Yes, and I would like to remind again that all of our SSD are original brand new with still well the box. And so you guys will get the original brand new box when you receive the order after you place.
Yes. How about let's show the customer another one?
Okay, sure.
Okay, let me show you another one. The next one is the S4510 series with the 960 GB. This capacity is more larger, and also the sequential read up to 560 MB per S. Sequential write up to 510 MB per S. The interface is stops 3.6 GB per S, and also with the factory seal, and also you could see the series number. You can check this on the original website.
Wow, it's really good. For more details, just click the product link and catalog link to contact us. Okay, let me introduce the bigger capacitive SSD of S4510 series. It is 1.9 TB. This is the package like that. It can ratings can up to 560 MB per second, and sequential writing can up to 510 series MBs per second.
Yes, and as the same one as the last one, it also packed in the original box and with all the detail on the box.
Yes, now let's turn up to another main product, that is the HDD SSD.
Okay, great.
Yes, it's good. The SSD we provide is original brand new, and for this SSD we provide 3 years warranty.
Wow, it sounds very long-term warranty for you guys.
Yes.
And HDD SSD have the different series such as the P1A420B21 and also P1A422B21, and other series are also very hot sale.
Yes, and I'm going to show you. This is the Intel. This is the HDD SSD, the P19913B21. And this is you can see the SSD is all battery steel belts with the original box, part number, series number, date code, and never opened. The country of the origin producing place can also find on the box.
Yes, for more detail, guys, please click the product catalog for more information, and you can find our customer service.
Yes, and for more details, just click the link and I'll chat with our customer surveys. And I just saw that there are many questions came out from our fans.
Wow, let's see the question, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's see the first question. How can you deal with if the SSD is bad when I get it?
Don't worry, we have the excellent and good after-sales teams. If you receive the goods with any quality problem, just feel free to contact us and send it back to us. We will resend you a new one after we receive the package.
Yes, we have an excellent after-sales team. And let's see the next question. What's the warranty time of your Intel SSD?
Yes, you get the 5 years warranty for the Intel SSD. Be sure that the quality problems we will help you to solve with that. But if the quality problems caused by any artificial problems, it is not within this 5 years warranty.
Yeah, I believe our customer know the answers very well now. Let's see the Tom question. How can I make sure the SSD are new when I get it?
Yes, don't worry. Please ensure that all of our SSD are original brands new, and you can receive the very completed packaging. And you can also check the series number on the official website.
Okay, thank you guys question. Now let's see the other series of the SSD, the P45102 Tb, and which is the higher speed than the S4510 series when used on the box. And this one, the sequential rate is up to 3200 MB per S, and sequential write is up to the 2000 MB per S.
Yes, it's really good. We can see that they are both packed in the box, right? With the label and series number can be found on the official website, country of the original producing place, and so on. All the details can be shown on the box.
Yes. How about let's show the other ones?
Sure.
A lot of customers also want the 4 TB, and this one is for 4 TB capacity. And this one, the sequential read is up to 3000 MB per S, and sequential write up to the 2900 MB per S. You can see on the box, and the labels and the series number can be tracked. And also you can see the factory cell phone packaging. Yes, all the details are on the box.
Yes, except from the server SSDs, we also provide the PC SSD. I would like to introduce the PC SSD for you, to all of you. And comparing with the HDDs, do you know what is the advantage of SSD?
I guess maybe it's more lighter.
Yes, it is a good point, and it is have the faster speed in the writing and reading, such as we can have the good quality for that. And the size for the SSD is also smaller and easy to carry.
Yeah, that's why the shipping cost is very cheaper than the other ones. And let's go to the next part, okay?
Okay.
Let's see the other products. This one is the WD, Western Digital. This is very famous brand, and this one is with the 500 GB. As you can see, this is the WD Blue and 3D MAND SAS SSD. And the model number is WDS 500 GB 2BOA. And you can check the model's number and also the series number from this position. You can see this. And this is how it looks like. This packaging is very beautiful.
Yes, check too. I love it. And this is one of our hot sales items recently. I'm sure all of you know the hot mining trends since at the beginning of this year, right? And you may not know it is what happens it is a best selling. It is not only good for the mining, but also good for the gaming. It can up to 1 TB to capacity to hold and support your battle-ready games.
Yes, except from the model we have introduced before, we also have this one, WD-SN751 to 1 TB, and also the Crucial P2 1 TB, and also this one, Samsung, the 980 PAR 2 TB SSD. All these models are very good for mining and also good for the PC. And here you can see the packaging from this one. The PN number is NJVB P210B, and this is for the front side, and this is the back side. And could you imagine that only within the 15 minutes, the product was sold out?
Yes, I can imagine that because it happens always. And once the new products come out, it is always sold out really quickly. A lot of our customers continue to asking and waiting the stock back. Thankfully, our customers got what they want at last. Here, I want to mention that because we have the strong ability in the supply chains which make it happen.
Yes, our supply chain is very super. And thanks to the great support of the DM and the supply chain, our customer always can get what they want.
Yes, what's more, PC SSD is actually our new production line after the server components. We can achieve such a great sales amount quickly in the season Q3. It is because we have the good relationship with the good suppliers and they help us a lot.
Yes. Great, thank you, Giselle. Since many questions has come out now, let's focus the question, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, let's see the question. Why your SSD is so expensive? Other suppliers more better price than you signed?
Yes, I believe that it is the prices is many customers focus on. Normally, we can say that the values determines the prices. We may not the best price for use, but our sales on Alibaba cannot lie to you that we have a lot of customers feedback that our quick replies, good quality, and the lower complaint rate, which make our SSD have better popular than other suppliers.
Thank you, Giselle. Let's see the next question. Where are your SSD from? What is the difference from the official version?
Yes, it's a good question. We are agents of the SSD. We are please ensure that our SSD we send to you are all official versions.
Sounds very good. So if I want to order now, so how do you ship the products to me?
Yes, usually we deliver the goods by the express delivery. We have the DHL, FedEx, UPS. Our express account has the discounted rates. The freight cost is really cost effective.
Yes, and also the speed is very fast.
Yes, I saw that another fan asked that those SSDs are brand new. Do you offer the refurbished ones?
Thank you for your question. As for the SSD, we only sell the brand new products. You can see this in the original packaging, which are new and never been used. And we also we don't open it, and we don't have the second-hand products now.
Yes, these SSD are original brand new. Don't worry about that. And for these SSDs, how about the warranty, Miranda?
Okay, this question I agree a lot of customers also want to know.
Yes.
Okay, for our Intel brand SSD, we provide 5 years warranty for you guys. And the global after-sales service, you could contact the local Intel service to repair or rechange. And also, you could send it back to us for the repair or rechange.
Yes, and may I know the date code before I order?
Yeah, sure. We will offer you the date code for reference.
Wow, it's really good. And I also want to know that, is this good side the distribution stock or the OEM stock?
Well, it is distribution stock.
Wow, it's really good. And if I place the order today, when will the shipment can be out?
Well, for us, our lead time only need to take 1 or 3 days because we have a lot of in stock, so they are ready to ship in the same day.
Okay, thank you. And if I have the problem after I receive the good, how is the replacement work?
Well, if the product was broken in the warranty time period, you can send it back to us, and also for repairing or repair and in your local Intel SSD store.
Wow, it's really good. And the last question is that, do you guys have the MOQ?
Okay, guys, don't need to worry. We accept the 1 pieces, so we accept any quantity.
Yes, thank you so much for this advanced question. I do believe that the questions above can solve a lot of confusions from yours. If you still have any other questions, just feel free to leave your questions on the comments or feel free to contact our customer service. We are all happy to help you.
Yes, and if you like our live show, please don't forget to give our thumbs up.
Yes, and don't forget to follow us. And next part, we are going to introduce the HDD because we just introduced the Intel and HPE SSD, right? It's really exciting.
Yes, so right. And what's our next part?
Yes, as I mentioned just now, it is the HDD. Not only for the surveillance hard disk, customers hard disk drives, but for the enterprise level.
Yes, wow, I just can't wait to show the products.
Wow, it's really good. Firstly, let me show you the general introductions of the HDD.
Okay.
HDD is as the storage devices. It is responsible for the data storage. It could be used in the server and the personal computers.
Yes, right. And it could also be divided into the internal hard disk and also the external hard disk. The internal hard disk could apply to the server and also MAS and surveillance and laptop and desktop.
Yes, it's really good. And Miranda, do you know what is the difference between HDDs and SSD? You know, a lot of our friends made that a comparison.
Well, I guess the SSD will be more expensive, right?
Yes, and you made a good point. And so we know that SSD is usually more lighter than HDD, right? So
yes,
we can save the expensive in the shipping when we ship it. And I want to know that an SSD is a solid state, right? And HDD is the hardest in terms of the performance. HDD will be more powerful than the faster rate speed, high recognition rate, right?
Yes, I understand. So no wonder the price of the SSD are more expensive than the HDDs.
Yes, and it is a good reason because sometimes HDD is much heavier than SSDs.
Thank you, Giselle. Now I think not only me, also but our friends will know this knowledge.
Yes, no worries. I'm more happy to present this to your guys.
Okay, now we will talk about the consumer hard disk drive, and this is the tip of the all HSD. We provide is the original brand new with the original packaging, and we promote you for 3 years warranty.
Wow, it's good. Please to allow me to introduce our ST1000 LM02848 for you guys. Please look at the checked HDD in front of you. You could see that it is still in the original official and it is well packaging. All of the package is brand new. You can see that this PC HDD, it is our new production line after the server's component rise. It is really hot selling in the market. I believe that this kind of HDD can meet your demands in the market. And we can see that it is normal to smaller and lighter than other HDD. So it is easier to carry. So you can save your shipping costs, right?
Yes, why? And it's not persuasive if you just judge it for the outside. Not to worry, later we'll show you the one without the packaging.
Yes, don't worry. We have a lot of products to show next. And if you are watching our live show by your mobile, you could find our product link is on the left bottom of the screen, and our catalog link is on the right bottom of the screen.
Yes, and if you're also watching by the laptop, you could find the link of our product on the right side of the screen, and also you could find the link of the catalog on the top of the screen.
Yes, and let us introduce the next model. This is the ST1000VX05 with a capacity with 1T. The brand is Seagate. As you can see, our HDD is original brand new with the factory sealed right, and the part number, series number, date code, and the country of the original producing place can be found on this package. And the most important one is that you can chase the series number in the Seagate official website, and you can get all the details of the warranty and the date code from that.
Yes. Now we would like to show you the next one is the ST16000NN002G, and it's the most hostile model in enterprise HDD. Do you know why it's so well?
Wow, I don't know. Please explain to us.
Okay, let me tell you. First, the enterprise HDD can be used for mining and especially for chip like the 80 or 18T, such as the ST A000NN000A, and these models are very huge demand in the chip miner.
Wow, it's really good. And let me introduce the next product. The different one is the Hushbox. It is the 16 Tb HDD. It's from this brand. 3.5 inches. Its speed can up to 7,200 RPM, and it is worked for the applications like the cloud scans and the data protection and the data center.
Wow, you look very good.
Yes.
And the next model is in my hand now. This one is the Western Digital, very famous brand.
Yes.
And this one is the WH721A16 ALE6L4 WD HDD. Capacity is the 16 TB. SAS interface. Here is the HDD. Here you can kindly check the series number, and also the FW is the 222, and it is made for Taiwan.
Yes, it's really good. And according to the feedback of our PM client, this is the most popular models. So if you guys interested in these models, feel free to contact with our customer service, and we are all happy to contact you.
Now look at here, I see this server have the two switch. So do you know why?
Yes, I guess it's because with the dual reductant switch, when one switch is broken, another one will replace to work without power off. It improves the security.
Yes, you made a good point.
Yes.
Now I have a question for you, Giselle.
Yes, sure.
How do I know the products are brand new?
Yes, please ensure that all of our HDD are original brand new, and you can check the series number on the official website.
Oh, that sounds very good.
Thank you. And your products are all brand brand new, we work with the manufacturers in the industry to guarantee your original and official channels at their competitive prices.
Yes, we have a long-term relationship with our supplier. And other question is, if I order today, so when I could receive the product?
Yes, don't worry about the lead time. We have the large quantities in stock. When we receive your payment, we will ship the goods to you as soon as possible.
Oh, that sounds very good.
Yes, it's good.
I think our customers are very delighted to hear that.
Yes, I also have a good news to all of you. That's because we have the large animals amount, and our FedEx account enjoy the big discount. So it is really cost-effective to ship the goods with our account.
Yes, you can help you guys to save a lot of the shipping costs.
Yes.
And don't hesitate to contact our friends.
Yes, for more detailed information, please feel free to contact us and click the link.
Yes, and don't forget to click the catalog link and also the chat with our customer service for ask our company product, or you have any question, you could always run us.
Yes. Oh, Miranda, I just saw that for this Hdb products, I saw that Manifest has a new question. Let's deal with it, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Yes. The first question is that how long is the warranty?
Well, the different products will have the different warranties. The consumer HDD will from 2 years, and the civilian and the enterprise HDD is from 3 years.
Wow, it's good. If I want to place the order now, and what is the payment way available?
Well, we provide several payment ways to you guys. First, you could choose the TT transportation, and also you can choose the PayPal or also cash on delivery, and also the Alibaba are all available.
Wow, it's really good. And I would like to know that how many brands do you guys offer?
Well, it depends on which product. If we see the HDD brand include the Seagate and Western Digital and Harddisk and the Toshiba. Those are very famous brands.
Yes, it's really famous. And I would like to know that. What about the package?
All the products are factory seal, the box series. You can see like this, all with the factory seal and the original packaging.
Yes, it's really good. And I would like to know that how much does the HDD weigh?
Well, normally one pieces is about 0.8 kg, and the 2 pieces is in one box.
Oh, it's heavier than the SSD. And where are your HDD from?
Almost the HDD COO is in Thailand. And please be sure understand HDD we sent to you is an official version.
Yes, thank you so much for your questions. If you have any additional questions, please ask in the comment areas or contact us through the product links. We will be happy to answer and help you.
Yeah, thank you guys. Question. Now the introduction of the HDD is finished. If you are interested in our products, please contact our service team, and at any time, it will be very great to help you to with us. And the next part, can you guess what is the next part?
Yes, I believe that it must be the graphic cards, right?
Yes, I think so. This part is very amazing, and also I believe you all will be interested in this part.
Yes, because the graphic cards is really hot according to our product teams and our customers. And this is the last part of our live shows today. It is the highlight part. So don't go away. Just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our Alibaba songs. And I guess some of you may waiting this part for a long time, right? I can't wait to introduce you guys about this part.
Yes. Wow, I'm so excited about this. And as the important part of the computer host, it will take a huge effect when displaying the graphics. Please share with me and also our customer for more information. I believe this topic will raise many of us the interest. If you are interested in, please follow our page and leave your comment in the comment area, please. And let's get started, okay?
Okay, sure. And we all know that since the hot mining happens in the beginnings of the year, right? And our graphic cards is really hot selling. A lot of our customers focus on the mining coins. Before we introduce the graphic cards, may I ask you a question?
Okay, sure.
Yes. Do you know what is the mining coin and mining?
Well, in my opinion, maybe the mining coin is the version coin, right?
Yes, you're so right. And continue, do you have any other opinions?
Yes, let me show my opinion with you guys. I think the version coin is probably based on the blockchain technology. Generally speaking, it's based on the open source, the software, and the P2P network. And for example, the Bitcoin is a virtual cycle coin in the form of the P2P. And point-to-point transmission means the decentralized payment system.
Yes, very professional introduction.
Thank you.
Yes, I also have some points to introduce for you. In my opinion, that mining coin is actually very valuable, such as the transaction value of the Bitcoin and the resource sharing of the fiat and the green environmental protection of the chia, so on, right? And in other words, we can say that mining coin is the money, but actually it is not subjected to any other countries. It is the good kind forms of the capital, right?
Yes.
Yes. The trade for mining, it is very similar to the stock speculation. Mining is the way to the coin circle theories. There are a lot of different mining coins, right? Such as the Bitcoin, chia, fiat, and so on.
Yeah, so I believe a lot of guys also want to mine money now. So if I'm not professional, I also want to mine money. So could you introduce a way how can I mine money?
Yes, sure. I would like to take the Bitcoin as the example. It is the operation to solve the math problems for the with the computer, right? If the answers to the problem correctly, you can reward it with the Bitcoins. And another hottest mining coin is the chia. This is mining way. We can say that consistently write some delta and the hard disk. And then the main network will verify the delta for you if you can get money or not. If your data network is right, you can get money rewards. And lots of people describe this kind of lotteries. But the more hard disk and the delta you get, the more chances for you to win.
Wow, thank you for information about how to mine the coins. I believe I already learned how to mine money now.
Okay.
So Giselle, please also let me know more about the GPU, okay?
We love it.
This model very much.
Yes, we all love this model really much. Here, we will highlight the NVIDIA GPU. NVIDIA GPU may include the GeForce, Titan, Tesla, and CUDA. Except from the NVIDIA, we also provide lots of several brands like the PMY, Gigabyte, ASUS, Inno 3D, etc.
Yes, that's our very famous brand. The customer always like these models.
Yes.
Hey Giselle, so what are we going to introduce? Are these wholesale models?
Yes, absolutely. All these models we will introduce are really hot sellings. Some models even haven't been sold out in the market now, right?
Oh my God.
Yes, but we still have the stock in our company just because we have the strong suppliers and which make it happen. If your guys interested in any models, don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to contact us and click the link for more product information.
Yes, and with the introduction of the NVIDIA Enterprise Architecture, we are bringing the next generation of the NVIDIA RTX to the millions of the professionals with enhanced real-time ray tracing, AI, advanced graphics and computing capacities, and realistic VR. The NVIDIA Enterprise Architecture enables the architects, designer, engineer, and also the science to make the impossible become possible.
Yes, and we can say that it's really cool. Our products are am at the high level and market, right?
Yes.
Let me introduce this model. That is the A5000. You can see that A5000 is the NVIDIA chip delivers in the features, performance, functionality, and reliability, and need to bring these boldest ideas to reality. With 24 GPU memories, the application UQC will get the faster performance, right? We can see that it is used in a lot of workstations and many ITs and solutions. AI is really popular around the world, right? It is the good graphic cards for the scientists and experts to use, and it can help a lot. We can see that the appearance is really cool. Original brand new with a steel box, and a lot of customers keep asking for that.
Yes, I agree. All of you guys are very like this packaging.
Yes, Miranda, could you please tell us more about the details of the A5000?
Sure, no problem.
Yes.
Let's show you the others detail. Of course, in combined with the 24 GB GDDRS, and also you can use in this for mining, and also this hash rate is the 93 ms per s. And some of my customers also prefer to use this one for the mining. And as you can see for this sample, all the information are on this box.
Yes.
You can see on this.
Yes.
And also the whole packaging is very good touching. Very good touching.
Yes.
And the high-end appearance.
Yes.
Agree, the guys very like this one.
Yes, it's really good. Except from the A5000, we're gonna introduce the A6000. A6000 is also a good choice for mining, and if you are mainly mining for the ETH, so you can consider these two models. This is the A5000 and A6000. This is the A6000 because the chips of the shortage of the 3000 series, right? Many customers keep looking for the 3000 series, but they are in shortage. So they turn to look for the A6000 and A5000. And it is really good from our customers' feedback. This model is with a very cost-effective prices comparing with the RTX GPU. So what are you waiting for? Just click the link and we'll get the card very soon.
Yes, don't hesitate to place the order with us. And glad to say that providing the best model and the first-class service for our customer is always our purpose. So you are doing a great job yourself.
Yes, thank you, Miranda. Let me show you guys more about our A6000. Look at this. As I showed just now, A6000, it is the workstation graphic cards and chips manufacturers is NVIDIA. You can see the logo here, right? Logo here. And you can also check the product numbers and the series number here. It is original brand new and with the very cool appearance.
Wow, the most powerful one from the desktop workstation. And I have to mention that this is the NVIDIA Enterprise architecture base with 48 gigabytes of the GPU memory, and it could work with the massive data sets and also the workflow like the data science and also the simulation. So don't hesitate to buy this product, guys.
Yes, it is really amazing. You can see these part numbers and code numbers, and also the NVIDIA logos is also on there. All the information of the details you can see.
Yeah, that's very good. Now let's show the other products, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, let's product. Do you know what is the next product?
I guess it must be the T400.
Good, you made a good point.
Yes.
Let's see the next product, the NVIDIA T400. This one is based on the high-performance manufacturing process, customized for the NVIDIA to incorporate the A96 cores and NVIDIA T400 GPU is the most powerful series. It provides a single slot, the professional solution for the CAD and also the DCC.
Yes, it's really good. As I know, financial service industry and visualization professionals in general looking for these graphic cards. They are only to reach the excellent performance in the compact and efficient forms better.
Yes, Giselle, you're right.
Yes.
And here I would like to show you the audience our packaging. As you could find the part number in this area. You could find the part number in this area and also the barcode as well as the label. And it is the retail box packaging with a good appearance. I think all of you will be very interested in both the high performance and also the good packaging. You can also see this is the factory seal packaging.
Yes, it's really good that if you are interested in the T1000 and T600, you could choose T400 as well. And for the T400, as you can see from the samples, it is the retail box, right? We can see also the logo here and the logo here. You can find the part number and the barcode as well on the label here. And wow, it's really good for the labels.
Yes. Well, recently I heard news. Do you know what is this news?
Yes, I don't know. Please tell me.
Okay. Recently, the price of the mining coins has risen. So happy to know that mining information about the A6000 and A5000 you have mentioned about. And do you have another model to introduce to our customer about how to mine it?
Sure, so you made a good point. This is also our highlight part today. And I'm going to introduce another main product that is our top-selling mining product, Gigabyte RTX 3090. It is the best-selling according to our product team last week. It is the really good models.
Wow, it's very heavy.
Yes, it's a very big, it's a very good, cool appearance. You can see that. This is the RTX 3090. It's really good for mining. You can see that this model is really hot selling in the market of the USA and the Middle East and the Europe. And these models, you can see that we are the factory sealed well with the packaging, right? You can see the label with the product number, series number, date code here, with the labels here, the sealed well. Here's the part number you can see. Part number, right? You make it clearly. It's the GV M3090TURBO 24 GB.
Yes, to make our briefly supplement, RTS the 3090 is the turbo edition, and all the parts is the black color, and you can check the product detail and the pictures for our product link, and also it's very cool in the appearance. And RTS the 3090 is the top configuration for mining, and inside with the 25 GB, and also the GDDR6 the drop to up to the 120 mH/s. The hash rate is very high. Many people are choose buy this one too for the mining job. And there are lots of the GPU model also good for mining, such as the PC GPU, the 1660, 1660 Ti, 1660 Super, and also the 2160 and 2060 Super, and so on.
Yes, looks really great. I would like to say that for the RTX 3090, it's a really hot selling, right? And this is the really many customers ask for that. it is sold out really quickly because it's not LHR. And if you are looking for the 3090, you can also make it more clearly about this product. And I believe the hash rate from the 3090 and do believe can meet your demands. And I heard that most of our GPUs is with the LHRs. And I would like to know that I have a question that is that when we select the GPUs, how can we know which model is with LHR and which models are non-LHR?
Good question, Giselle. I believe a lot of people want to know this question answer. And from the 3000 series, only the 3090 is not LHR, as we show you before. This one in the market, and from the other series like the 1660, 1660 Super, 2060, and 2060 Super, all of these are not LHR too. And the latest model is 3060 Ti and 3070 Ti, 3090 Ti are all with LHR. Please click the link and also send the inquiry to us. We will answer you once we see it.
Yes, and we will have a lot of the GPU for your reference, and we can say that there are different mining coins for your choose, right?
Yes.
And I would like to know that, Miranda, how can I match this GPU to the mining coins?
Okay, let's show you how to match the mining coin. And as for the ETH and also the BTC mining, the best model are the RTS 3090, RTS 3080, and also the 6900 ST GPU. Those models are very good for the mining. And also the RTS 3060 and also RTS 3070, I love to support. Giselle?
Yes.
I have a question for you.
Yes, please.
I noticed many questions about asking about our packaging. So could you show us the packaging?
Sure, packages a lot of the customers keep focused on, right? For the GPU package, we have the two package for your reference. One is the box package.
Yeah.
Box package like that. Yes, this is the A5000 we just showed you. And this is the T400
Package.
Yes, we just showed you. And there's also the gigabyte ones, RTX 3090.
It's the biggest one.
Yes, this is the biggest one. You guys can see this packed with the factory sealed and the part number here with the original box, right?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Miranda. And we can say that each GPUs have their part number, series number, date, code, country of the original producing place on that. And as for the book package, we also have the original manufacturer's offer with the steel box wells and packed models. It is protected very well. So don't worry about the package when you receive the models. If you don't mind the package, just choose the package you want and tell us your needs.
Yes, and also we have the bar package. The bar package we will show you if you want to. So please feel free to ask us about this question, to ask our customer service.
Yes, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe us.
Yes, and just subscribe to our Alibaba store. You are surely to get what you want for the models.
Yes, Giselle, so how about the warranty? It is the international warranty?
Yeah, no, it is the e-energy warranty. We can say that. As for the server GPUs, we provide 3 years warranty for use, and as the PC GPUs, we provide you 1 year warranty. And also, you must really pay attention to the book package, right? We provide you 1 year package warranty.
Sounds very good. I just see one customer complaint from USA. He just asked us how to deal with the problem products.
Yes, it's a really good question, that don't worry about our GPUs. Our GPUs have a really good quality normally. And if you have the quality problems when you receive the goods, if you trust the international brands itself, you can trust our models. And because of our models, you know, are brand new with the original box, you can chase the series number on the official website. This is the most important one. I want to mention that. That's why a lot of our customers trust us all the time. And if anything happens, we offer you the RMA service.
Yes, not to need to worry, guys. We have been in this line for more than 18 years now, and we also have 11 years Alibaba account. The quality and the service are the reason why so many customers choose us. And as the trustworthy partner, so we can provide you the good quality products and also with the fast delivery and also the very cost-effective shipping costs.
Yes, it's really good. We also have the professional production team. They are all responsible for that. And we also have the excellent, good after-sales team, right? And our models are definitely from the official channels, brand new with the seal box very well. And we also want to mention that, just like we mentioned just now, we have the DHL, FedEx, and the UPS cooperations. You can enjoy the big discounts when you ship the goods.
Wow! Oh my God! The town from California just want to order the 10 pieces of the RTS 3090.
Wow,
Could you please?
Yes, it's a good choice.
Good choice, Tom. We will give you a special discount on shipping costs.
Wow, yes, exactly. It's because we are the VIP customers to the FedEx and the DHLs. As we said, we have the big discount corporations. We have to reach the agreement like that. We have the large amount each year. So it is really cost effective to choose us as your partner to support your business. And in all, you could save a lot of money in the shipping in free energy.
Yeah, sounds very good, Zhao. Yes, don't forget to click the link and also to check with our customer service to ask for the product, or you could order your purpose model directly from the product link. And you are warmly welcome to share our link show to your friends or your partner or the other people you know. And what's more, you could also subscribe our online shop, and you always keep update the latest products to you guys.
Yes, I know that a lot of customers kept support us. Thank you for that support. And also, we are keep looking for the new customers to cooperation with us, right?
Yes.
And I know we have a lot of customers from all over the world. We are so looking forward to cooperate with these customers. And also, sometimes these new customers they may not know about our companies a lot. So don't worry, just you can find our E-Energy holding limit, our Alibaba stones on the Alibaba, because we have the experience over 12 years. You can find us there. Also, you can find us in the various websites such as the Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and a lot of. And you can check our products and our company's introductions in this official website, right? And
yes, I believe after our amazing introduction, our customer will know a little about our company now. And I see a question just come out. And what is the COO of GPU? Could you explain this to our customer?
Sure, it's a really good question. For the GPUs, we also have a lot of customers asking about that. It's from the original manufactured in Taiwan, Philippines, or China.
Oh, that sounds very good.
Yes, and really thank you for the great answers, Miranda, above and the introduction above, right? And today we have just introduced many parts like the enterprise CPUs and the PC CPUs and the RAMs, HDD, SSD, GPU for the mining. And due to the time limitation, some models haven't shown to you guys in our live shows. But don't worry that we have the daily live shows, and you can check, we remind our live shows in the links. Just click our link and subscribe to our Alibaba store, and feel free to ask for the products you want to our customers. We are all so glad to help you, and you don't have to feel regretful, friends. We also have a lot of products, latest products is on the way to show you. And if you have demands to other components, you can click the link and chat with our customer service. We are also happy to help you.
Yes, I just see a customer want to read introduction about the PC CPU. Could you think we could do that for them?
Yes, we could do that.
Okay, maybe we could show some of the PC CPU to remind them we have the PC CPU, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's see this one. This one is the AMD PC CPU, and this one is the retail box with the original packaging, and also you could see the series number and the part number in this area, and also you could find the barcode in this area.
Yes, I do believe that AMD CPU is really popular. It has a huge market.
Yes.
Yes, it's a huge market. We found that a lot of demand, high demand in the South Africa, a lot of Europe and the American market. A lot of customers keep asking for that for a long time, right? And AMD CPUs, we have the wireless models. Just feel free to contact us to ask for the models you need.
Yes, we not just have this model, we also have the very popular models in our store. So feel free to ask any question about this.
Yes, and we have the very professional team and very excellent teams to help you solve these problems. No matter from the order and to the after sales problems, you can feel free to trust us. And if you have any problems, we will try our best to solve these problems to all of you guys. And we have a lot of customers from the world over many countries and many origins, right?
Yes, and we will be your best partner. We will try our best to show you the question you have mentioned. And Giselle, I just see some customer maybe not interested in the AMD CPU. Maybe we could introduce some PC Intel CPU to them. Could you do that?
Yes, and we have the Intel CPU. This is the.
So this one is Intel CPU.
Yeah, this is really cool. It is totally in the blue packaging, right? You can see that. Actually, we have the virus models. Just feel free to contact us for the models you need. This is one of the models.
Yes, and we have the two kinds of packaging. This one is the retail box. You could see this. And you can see the products in here. And also we have the trade packaging. So if you need trade packaging or if you need retail box, you could always find us.
Yes, and we have the virus CPU and the GPU and the SSD and the HDD, right? We have a lot of choices for you to support your business. We are always here to solve any problems from you, right?
Yes, I just see the customer also want to know about the memory. Could you show the memory to them?
Sure, we have the memory.
This one is the...
Yes, memory is here.
Let's see the memory.
It's really cool, right? It is really small and easy to carry.
Yes, this one we have introduced before. This one is the brand is the HPE. I really all of you will know this brand very well because it is very, very famous. And you could see this the part number in here, and also you could see the series number in this area. You could see on this, and also the part code, and also the production date, also in this area.
Yes, a lot of products are introduced today, and I show you all to our customers again. If you would like to another products to show here again, I would like to show you guys. And come to our last part is that with an experienced and professional team, we have exported our products to a lot of countries and regions, as like we mentioned just now. And in face of the customer's needs, our team offers quick response and the professional guidance, right?
Yes, and don't forget we also have the chip product link. SD is the chip, and this one is also popular in our company. We just sold out the 7,000 in our yesterday, and this is very popular.
Yes, this is really smart and easy to care. It is the new production line of our company. The energy can always provide you the professional IT hardware, right?
Yes, and the shipping cost is definitely will be more cheaper than the other products because it's very small.
Yes, yes, especially with our DHL, FedEx, and UPS account, right?
Yes.
Yes, and Miranda, I would like to know that. Do you know what can our customers get from e-energy?
Well, first, I believe our customer can get the competitive products live, and they can get what they want. And second, I believe our performance is very high. And according to our customer feedback, they always appraise our customer service.
Wow, it sounds really excited because it's really good to see the products our customers need in the e-energy, right?
Yes.
Our e-energy is your strong backup for your business. We have been in these IT areas for over 18 years. Our headquarters is in Hong Kong, and Guangzhou is our global operations center. We also have the office in Dubai, Shenzhen, Los Angeles. So just if you want to visit our company, just feel free to contact us.
Yes, and we also have the steady store, and also we can provide the products to you guys with a very fast speed because we can use the FedEx and we have the VIP accounts, so we can provide a very competitive price the shipping cost.
Yes. Oh, I can see that it is our live show going to end now, right, Miranda?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow, how time is flying so fast. Wow, if you just come into our link and want to know the previous components, and just click the link and also send us the inquiry. After this show, you can also watch the replay.
Yes, I can believe that 2 hours go past too fast, Miranda. Hope we can have more time to chat with our fans and our customers.
Yes, I have a very great time in here. And all our friends can contact us for deep talking, and after our live show, feel free to contact our customers.